Yeah, it wasn't pretty, but the end result, oh, man, that looks good. Tell me that don't look good. Smells great. I can't wait to dig in. Okay, I've got eggs, got me some bacon, Tillamook butter, Cabot cheese, potato bread, and you can't forget the green onions. What's up, everybody? It's Ahmed with I Really Can Cook, your better than average everyday cook. And I know you can hear that bacon sizzling back there. Yes, I am about to make easy, easy one pan egg toast. It's gonna be eggs, bacon, Cabot cheese, green onions, Tillamook butter, and it's gonna be super good. Oh, and toast, of course, can't have egg toast without the toast, right? So while I'm letting that bacon fry back there, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands. Man, listen to that bacon fry. That'll be ready in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and heat up my cast iron skillet, or yeah, cast iron pan. Might as well do that now, because in a minute, I'm gonna put these 2 eggs in it. Gonna slice up this Cabot cheese with my fancy cheese cutting knife. Yeah, buddy. Right there. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and scramble up these eggs real quick with this oversized whisk. That's okay. Gets the job done. Yeah, buddy. All you need is 1 slice of toast, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Slice it down the middle. Slice and toast with my cheese knife. And it worked. Gonna add some Tillamook butter to my stainless steel skillet. There we go. A little hot there. There we go. That's the good stuff. We're gonna add these eggs. Yeah, buddy, that's the good stuff right there. Gonna add the toast. Yeah, good. Now we're gonna flip the toast. There we go. Flip it. There we go. So it'll be cooked on both sides. All right. Now we're gonna flip it. There we go. So it'll cook on both sides. There we go. Uh-oh. Messed that up. But we're still gonna make it work. Watch. Still gonna make it. Oh, hot stuff. Still gonna make it work. There we go. Making a mess, but it's still good, right? Take that. So now what we're gonna do is gonna add slices of Cabot cheese. Ah, that's the good stuff right there. Good stuff. Good stuff right there. That should be enough. It's not pretty, but it's gonna taste extremely good. Because all my food tastes good. Why? Because I really can cook. A couple of green onions on there. And most importantly, can't forget the bacon. Oh, put that bacon on there. Nice. And now, even though it's not pretty, it is cooked thoroughly on both sides. Let's get those onions in there. We don't want to miss anything, right? Hey, like I said before, I'm no chef, but I know what makes food taste good. So take that, gonna flip that bad boy over. Oh, there we go. That looks a whole lot better. And I'm sure it's gonna taste even better than it looks. And although that was a messy undertaking, you can't tell me that don't look good. Oh, egg toast, bacon, green onions, Cabot cheese in there. About to get my grub on. Give me a cup of orange juice and I'm in there. Yeah, it was sloppy, I know, but look, I'm not a trained chef. You know, I just cook. I see something I like. My brother actually sent me the link on this this video on YouTube, and I figured I'd go ahead and try to recreate it myself. And yeah, it wasn't pretty, but the end result, oh man, that looks good. Tell me that don't look good. Smells great. I can't wait to dig in. So this is Ahmed with I Really Can Cook, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.